Hey guys, so today I'm going to be filming October's Boxy Charm and Topboxs. Oh wait, no, this is not October. Oh yeah, no, it is October. Sorry. I forgot which month we were in. Let's start with the Topbox. So this is what the Topbox looks like. Let's see what's in here. Of course, there's another one of these. There's so many of the Clarins Paris stuff. This one's from My Clarins My Clarins. This is called Clear Out. This is a purifying and mattifying toner. So at least it's a toner and not a cream, because we keep getting creams. This is 10 milliliters. I mean, I probably will try this. I don't really need to mattify anything, but okay. And then there is this whatever, Walk in the Sun. This is a repair, restore, strengthen mask. So this is for your hair. I mean, this is 25 milliliters, so that's pretty good. I mean, it kind of sits right here, so it's not that bad. I guess I could try this. I don't really like using products from boxes like this because they're not normally salon brand, and I only put salon brand stuff on my hair. But, I mean, hair masks are really just like really thick conditioners that are really got extra stuff in it. So maybe I'll do some research and see if I'm going to like that. Next up in here, this is from Benefit, and this is the 24-hour brow setter. So this is a brow gel. Oh, that's a cute little bottle. Looks like a little bit of a potion bottle. This is just a clear brow gel. So, I mean, yeah, that's not too bad. I don't really use brow gels. This is 2 mils. So, there's that. And the last thing in here is from Floss. This is the Brighten Up highlighter in the color Sunset. Ooh, that is pretty. Let's see. I'm going to do a swatch of this because I like this. I think I might. Ooh. That is very bright. Yeah, I'm definitely keeping that. All right, so that was everything in this box. So we got 4 items. And I think the only thing I'm not going to use is the brow gel. So, I mean, that's not too bad this month. So, for my Boxy Charm, let's see what's in here. Okay, so the orange packaging. And let's see. So, this is what the box looks like. This is the pamphlet, and it says everyone will be under your spell. And I guess obviously because it's a Halloween, you know, one. That's kind of cute. Up first, I will just grab this here, and this is from Symbiose London. It says it's got HA and PA, which is hyaluronic plus some kind of acid. This is an under eye. Nope. This is, what the frick is this? Okay, anti-pollution pore refining eye primer in cream. It says to smooth a pea-sized amount gently in circular motions on the skin in the morning and the evening after cleaning face. So it's an eye cream. How much is this? That's a holy sh. This is $106 for this. There's no way. What the? This is a revolutionary eye primer that helps provide a blank canvas for your eye makeup by working to avoid any buildup in fine lines and wrinkles. Okay. Well, that was worth the whole box if that's the actual price. Then there is this Dew of the Gods, it's called. This is, oh, it's called Dew of the Gods. Well, I don't know. Okay, the brand is Tahitian Breakfast. And then on the sides it says Dew of the Gods. What is this? It's made in China. Breakfast for the skin. The Breakfast of Champions. This tropical hints. Okay, let's just open this and see what's in it. I have no idea what this actually is. So this is made in China, but on the bottom it says that it is distributed by Dew of the Skin Incorporated, Canada. So I think Dew of the Skin is actually a Canadian company. Never heard of it. This is a primer. Okay, so it says to use it on your skin and neck. Let's see if it's actually doing. I'm just going to put a little bit. So it's like cream. Let's see. It smells nice. Ooh, actually, it smells pretty decent. Okay, so it's a very liquidy face primer. Is it giving me, like, halo vibes or anything? No. Is it even giving me any, like, anything that isn't just regular face primer? So that is... Okay, so Tahitian Breakfast Dewy Collagen Primer is what it's actually called. The brand is Dew of the Gods. This is a $32 primer. Poof! Okay. For the smell, maybe. Okay, we've got 3 more items in here. Let's just grab this one out here. This is from Toy Factory. This is Super Set, and this is a hyaluronic acid setting spray. This I could probably use. To be honest, I like getting setting sprays because then I get to try new ones. I like the packaging for this. This is really cute. Let's see what the actual bottle looks like. It feels quite heavy. Oh, it's just a heavy plastic. Okay, that's kind of cute. I like that. Hopefully it has a really nice sprayer on it. Yeah, it's pretty decent. All right. It doesn't really have a smell. So this is a $24 spray. I mean, that's not too bad. Next up is, we've got 2 more things in here. Let's just do the big one. And this one is from Icon London. And this is called, it says, what is this? Desk to Dance Eyeshadow Palette. So this is an eyeshadow palette. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, this is kind of nice. I don't think I own any eyeshadows from Iconic London, to be honest. I think I usually just get rid of them. My only concern is that there's only 4 mattes in this. Like, that's a lot of shimmers. I mean, they're kind of nice, though. But, I mean, they're literally like Corner Office, Dressed Up, I've Arrived, My Crush, Charm, Manifest, Booked and Busy. Like, those are okay names. This eyeshadow palette is a $62 eyeshadow palette. And am I going to keep it? Probably not. The last thing in here is from, I do not know how to pronounce this because I'm 100% sure this is Spanish, but this is the brand that it is. I'm not going to butcher it. I am horrible at speaking Spanish. This is the highlighter palette, the glow palette. This is, I do know, this is Becky G's line of makeup. I've actually wanted to own something. I just haven't bought anything yet from the line, so I'm very excited to own something from this palette, or from this brand. I actually follow her on Instagram. I totally think she's awesome. Listen to her music. Do all the things. But I follow the line on Instagram because I've always kind of really wanted to try it. So this is what the outside packaging looks like. And then this is, I think I got it in the medium. I think this is the one I picked, to be honest. And this is the medium one, I think. So this is like cruelty-free, and it has blue agave from Mexico in it, which I don't doubt because, yeah. This is super pretty. I am super, I don't even want to swatch them because I don't want to wreck how beautiful these are. Like, it's this one here. I'm so excited for these. This is definitely worth it. So excited for this. There is that. Okay. So, and then that palette is a $26 palette. Actually, that's really reasonable. So that is everything in here. And so I've got an eyeshadow palette, highlighter palette, a setting spray, an under eye cream, and this Dew of the Gods thing. So out of all of them, what I'm probably keeping is this, and this. I am not keeping the $62 palette because I will never use those eyeshadows. All right, so everything in this,
it's $250.
So everything together is $250, which is a big total. That's quite substantial for this box. This is just the regular Boxy charm, so that's really awesome. And keeping 3 of the items isn't actually, it's pretty good considering. I might end up keeping this one because I am running out of primers, but yeah, definitely keeping these things. All right, well, that was everything for Boxy Charm and Topbox for October. It will be coming out in November because it's literally how this goes. Honestly, it takes forever to get these boxes out because they take forever to come to me. So yeah, I hope you guys are staying safe and hope you have a great day. Bye!